Today we are going to discuss about the duct shapes and duct justifications in Revit. First, I welcome all my friends on my educational channel. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new videos. Like and share also. We create a new project using the default mechanical project template to understand the duct shapes. The duct tool is located in the HVAC panel of System tab. Select this tool or punch its shortcut key DT from the keyboard. The first shape of duct in the type selector is oval. In the options bar, we can control the width, height and middle elevation of the duct. Duct width refers to the size seen from the top side of the duct. We see the duct width as changing it. Now let's look the duct in 3D view. Duct height refers to the top to bottom size of the duct. We also modify the duct height. The width and height of the duct can also be adjusted from the dimensions section of the properties palette. Duct middle elevation means the middle height of the duct from level. Horizontal justifications for duct constraints have three options. The first option is the left. By placing a horizontal justification left, the duct draw point will be on the duct left side. By keeping the horizontal justification in the center, the draw point will be in the center of the duct. Similarly, by placing the horizontal justification on the right, the duct draw point will be on the right side of the duct. To understand vertical justifications, we go to section view. Vertical justification is in the middle, so the duct draw point is also in the middle. The same vertical justification can be set to top or bottom also. The duct draw point will be on the same side on which we will set the vertical justification. The same way, duct can be controlled with top, middle and bottom elevations. For example, if we want to give bottom of duct 1200, then we will give this value to the bottom elevation. The top and middle elevation will be automatically set according to the duct size. The second shape of the duct in the properties palette is rectangular. The rectangular duct can also be controlled through the options bar like we control the oval duct as width, height and other justifications. After that, the third shape of the duct is round. Because this is a round duct, therefore the diameter of the duct is being shown instead of the width or height of other ducts in the options bar. Because the options bar displays the conditional tools of current tool or the selected elements. We can also control the round duct as rest of the duct's justifications in the same way. In today's lecture we have understood duct shapes and duct justifications. I hope you have understood this topic. Stay tuned for more educational videos. BIM Talks.